Let's take a look at how we can use Copilot in Excel to help with data analysis and visualization. Let's start by asking Copilot if we can create a total revenue column that will be multiplying our unit price by our sales. And to get to Copilot, make sure we're in our Home tab. We'll come all the way over to the right and click Copilot. We'll give that a second to load. And let's ask it to create a new column called total revenue multiply unit price by sales. We'll hit enter. And we'll give Copilot a second to think. Here you can see it shows a column and what it's going to do, which is C3 times F3, which is what we asked it to do. So let's go ahead and insert that column. And here we can see that we now have our calculated column. Now let's ask Copilot to aggregate our data into monthly data. So we have different records for the month, but we just want to aggregate that into single months. So let's get to aggregate the data by month with sales and total revenue. Right, here you can see that Copilot has created a table for us. Let's add that to a new sheet. Here we can see that it took that data, summed the sales and total revenue by month. And let's ask it to perform some data visualizations. And let's ask it if it can graph sales by month with a line chart. And here you can see it produced our line graph. Let's add that to a new sheet. So we have our month and our sales. And let's ask it to graph a bar chart with our total revenue. Can you graph total revenues with a bar chart by month? And we make sure that we're specific in which we're asking Copilot to do. Right. And here you can see that it did a horizontal bar chart. So let's ask if we can create a vertical bar chart. All right, and there you can see it spit out, getting closer, it did spit out a vertical bar chart, but by category. So we make sure, let's see that we're more specific. So vertical bar chart, summing total revenue by month. Right, perfect. So now let's add that to our new sheet. Here you can see that that has now created several different visualizations. So summing our data into a table with sales and total revenue by month. We've created a line chart with the sales by month. Then we've also created a bar chart with the revenue month. So there's a lot more to explore with Copilot, but this was a quick video to get you started in thinking about some ways that you could start incorporating it in your workflow.